Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom paper size in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to print or export your documents in non-standard dimensions, whether for brochures, posters, or any specialized print format. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document you want to create a custom paper size for. This will open your file and prepare it for the customization process. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Print. This will open the Print dialog window, which is where we'll configure all the paper size settings for your document. In the Print dialog, you'll need to click on Properties. This button gives you access to more detailed printer settings and customization options that aren't immediately visible in the standard print window. It's essential for creating those custom dimensions we're after. Once you're in the Properties window, click on Paper Quality in the top toolbar. This section controls various aspects of how your document will be processed and prepared for printing, including the paper dimensions. Next, click on Advanced. This opens up even more granular settings where you can fine-tune specific parameters, including the exact paper size you want to use. Now navigate to Paper Size and click the drop-down menu beside it. From the list of options that appears, select Postscript Custom Page Size. This option allows you to define your own dimensions rather than being limited to standard paper sizes like letter or A4. After selecting that option, click on Edit Custom Page Size. This will open a new dialog where you can input your exact specifications. Navigate to Width and type your preferred width measurement in the text field. Make sure you're using the correct unit of measurement, whether that's inches, centimeters, or millimeters, depending on your project requirements. Next, navigate to Height and type your preferred height measurement in the text field. Again, ensure you're consistent with your units and that the dimensions match what you need for your final output. Once you've entered both measurements, click OK to confirm your custom dimensions. This saves your settings and returns you to the previous window. Click OK again to close the Properties dialog and return to the main print window. Your custom paper size is now set and ready to be applied. Click OK once more to proceed with the print operation using your newly configured paper size. Finally, click Print to start the process. You'll be prompted to select the file location where you want to save your document with the custom paper size applied. Choose your preferred destination, rename the file name if needed to keep your files organized, and then click Save. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom paper size for your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.